Hello guys, after that we build our beehive, now we have to do the most difficult things. Convince the bees enter inside our beehive, also dressed like a representant, the one that sell the house, or I don't know the word in English. I will write here like usual. Because now they are living in the tree, first of all we need to find a way to put the house, their future house, near the tree. So I will build kind of table, plus on the bottom or in the back of the house I leave a hole. I hope that you can see. So now with a net I will make also a tunnel to connect the beehive with the tree, so the bees, before they go out to the flowers, they should pass through the house. So I hope that at least they will enjoy the house, and after in the future they will decide to move inside, because inside we will put the wax and also a little bit of honey to encourage them to move inside. Let's see. But for sure with this beautiful and spectacular beehive they will decide to move. So let's start to build the table. And voila, it's ready. We need to put this in the tree. I also make this. It's very ugly, but it's in purpose, because more material here will keep straight our bridge, because we will attach this to the beehive and this to the tree, and the bee will enter like this. They have no way to go out. But now we have another problem. I'll show you now. Like you can notice from the strange way the bees enter in the beehive is empty. So this is other bees. They are coming from other beehive here to steal the honey and the wax. I also mark one bee with the red paint, and the other beehive is more or less 1 mile of distance, or 1.5 kilometers from this tree. So now we have to start everything from the beginning. If not, I have done the beehive for nothing. So now we have 3 or 4 alternatives. The easy one that I don't want to apply is to buy a bee family. Also the guy that I met when I bought the material inside, he told me, if you need I can give you one for free, don't worry. But our goal is to find the bees in the field. So now we have 3 alternatives. I will prepare my beehive. I will put inside 3 or 4 drops of oil, lemongrass oil, not the one to send away the mosquitoes, but the good one you can buy in the pharmacy or online. This smell can attract the bee. And also you can use anise oil, same for the same reason. Up to you what you can find in your country. Other alternative is that you build a box that is called, I forgot the name in English, I will write here. is to catch the bee in the field. And the last alternative is that you start hunting the bee. So you find some bee, and after you need to follow where they are going to find their home, because they always fly straight at home. So now we need to stop the video here. I don't know if you will see this video, because if I cannot find the bee, there is no reason to post the video of the beehive. So let's stop it, because many people ask why everything that you do is so spectacular. It's not that everything that I do is spectacular, but when something doesn't work, I don't post the video. I post it only when the things are spectacular. So let's hope to find the bees. See you maybe in the future. Like you can notice, these bees are moving. So if they stop on this tree, now I go and collect. I take my beehive, I try to collect them. Let's see what I can do. After 15 minutes, after that I run at home, I'm here. Now I will take the beehive. So they stop on this tree. The problem that they are 3 meters from the ground. So I don't know if I will be able to collect it. Let's see. Naturally, hailstone, I don't know if it's the right pronunciation, ice is falling. So let's see if the bee, they will be safe. I'm going in the car. Stiamo calmi. Okay, now if the queen fall inside, everything is perfect, but I don't know, so we need to check. Could be that she is still on the tree, or maybe on the floor, on the ground, so I need to check. I'll let you know later. Now that there is the sunset or sundown, there is no bee flying in our beehive, so I can close it and bring it home. After 1 week, you can notice that the bees, they are fine. So now I will show you from the windows, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ecco, come si spostare.
Fammi vedere. Ci si riesce a vedere. Di gusti.